What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the most hyped sneakers of the year. So the sneaker I'm referring to is, of course, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6 in this nice olive suede colorway. So pictures of this shoe actually surfaced a few months back and people got really excited for it, and they finally released after getting delayed a couple times. So the entire sneaker is pretty much composed of like this olive suede upper and has glow in the dark outsole as well, which I'll show you guys how it looks towards the end of the video. So basically just gonna be going over a detailed review of the sneaker, talking about some of the details on it, just overall my general thoughts on it. It's definitely really nice. The suede material on it is actually really buttery, and for $250, which I think they charge a lot of money for a Jordan 6, definitely have to use some premium materials on it. However, there are some pretty cool details on it. It also comes with 2 extra pairs of laces. And you know, if you're a Travis Scott fan, this is definitely a must-have sneaker. In terms of sizing, these actually fit true to size. You can also probably go half a size up because Jordan 6s tend to fit a little bit narrow sometimes. But if you could get your own size, I would just say go your regular size. You should be fine. And in terms of the price on these, so again, these retail for $250 and they're reselling for about, $700 to about $1,100 depending on the size. This is a size 10. It's currently going for around $800 to $850. I'm not surprised by the resale. I don't know if it's worth paying that much for it, but definitely not surprised. And I think over time, this will probably go up just like the Jordan 1s have and the Jordan 4s. So as you guys know, collabs, especially with artists that are hyped like Travis Scott, tend to go up once people start wearing their pairs. Also guys, I did a review on the matching hoodie that I was able to cop with these, so if you guys haven't checked that video out, please go ahead and watch that. Really sick hoodie. It's also suede, so it matches really well with the sneaker. Putting them side by side for you guys. So yeah, really like this hoodie. This retails for $150. Definitely a must cop for me. So once again, if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and check that out on my channel. Also link it in this video. And with that said, let's get right into the review of the shoes. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is the box. We have an olive Jordan 6 box with the red Jumpman logo in the center. Inside of the box, we don't have any special paper or anything like the Jordan 1s came with that pink paper. These don't. But we do have like the Travis Scott face logo right there. Also have that logo and the Air Jordan logo on the back. And finally getting into the front, we have the Cactus Jack logo with a Jordan Air logo. And lastly, let's get into the size tags. So Air Jordan 6 Retro SP. The official colorway is medium olive infrared black and retails for $250. So with the box out the way, let's get right into the shoes. So as you guys can see, we have this nice olive suede covering the entire upper of the sneaker. Show you guys a quick 360 look before I get into the details. Just to show you how nice the suede is, like if I run my finger across it, look how buttery that is. Let's get into some of the details I want to point out. So right here on the tongue area, we have a red Jumpman logo. And then on like the lace lock itself, it says Cactus Jack in black writing. I really love small details like that. Takes a sneaker to the next level in my opinion. We have olive laces with olive lace tips to finish it off. Cool touch. So I have like this frayed tongue that has this kind of distressed look to it. I really like that. I think that's a really great touch that they did with the sneaker. Getting right into the insole, we have a black insole with white Nike Air writing. And the sock liner, while the rest of the sneaker is olive, the sock liner itself is this nice black colorway. It gives it some contrast, and I think it flows really well with the tongue too. Getting into the pull tab, with like this translucent and infrared pull tab. Once again, I think the infrared colorway goes really well with the olive. Like, it's a nice pop to it. And then right below, we have a Nike Air stitched in, once again in that infrared colorway. And that stitching looks really great. Next thing I want to talk about is the little pouch. Now, this is what got everyone excited. The little pouch, you could pretty much put anything you want in it. So just opening it up right now. Just click, open it up. And then again, we have the Cactus Jack face logo looking right at you once you open it. And then getting a look inside of the pouch. It's honestly not that big. You probably can't fit too many things in there, but you want to stash a little bit of money or something, cool little place to put it. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorite parts of the sneaker. Definitely makes it stand out for sure. Honestly, in the pictures, I wasn't really liking how the pouch looked. It looked kind of like out of place, but in hand, it definitely looks really nice. Gives the sneaker like this military vibe almost. As I mentioned, the entire upper is suede. However, the midsole is this combination of a black, cream, and the translucent glow-in-the-dark color all in one. Taking a look at the outsole itself, again, we have the black and translucent outsole with the red Jumpman logo. Now these parts are gonna be glow in the dark, and I'll show you guys that towards the end of this video, so please stay tuned for that. A quick look at the other pair. It's pretty much the same thing, except on this pair we have 2 extra pairs of laces. I'm probably gonna keep the olive ones in, but I could see a lot of people rocking both of these colorways. The yellow one's definitely gonna make it pop out, so if you want to turn some heads, definitely go with that yellow lace. And the only difference that I found on these pairs is the back logo here. On this pair, it actually says Cactus Jack. Once again, it's stitched in with that infrared colorway. So once you wear it, the left pair is gonna say Nike Air and the right pair is gonna say Cactus Jack. Cool little difference there. All right, so taking a quick look at the glow of the sneakers. As you guys can see, they glow pretty well. Nice green glow. This is gonna go really well with the olive color. And I'm showing you kind of in the light, you still get that nice green color on the bottom. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this Travis Scott Air Jordan 6. Is this the best collab that Travis has done with Jordan brand? In my opinion, the Jordan 1 is still better. I do like the highs and the lows more than this. However, I probably would take this over to Jordan 4 because I really like the olive and suede colorway. Overall, I really like this sneaker. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.